How to change Binance phone number. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change the phone number on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to change the phone number on Binance, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is open up the Binance app and make sure that you're signed into your account, and right here you will see this type of interface such as portfolio and so on. But just tap on the Binance icon from the top left of the screen here. When you tap on that icon here, you will find different sort of settings that you should be able to see. Now over here you can tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side, and right over here you simply need to scroll until you look for an option that says phone number. Otherwise you can also tap on your profile option here. Then under the security tab you will be able to find a current phone number. So all you have to do is you can see your phone number, tap on it and then enter the new phone number and then remove this one, and then your phone number will get successfully changed. This way you can change Binance phone number. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.